Welcome back to Andrea Jean Cleaning and Life Hacks. I have a must-know hydrogen peroxide trick for you here today. Look at this cutting board. You can see it's starting to brown. Let's see if I can get, yep, there we go. Camera's picking up. It's starting to brown. The camera's actually making it look better than it actually is. And let's flip it over on this side. And I wash this all the time in the dishwasher. Sometimes this trick that I'm about to show you right here today, your cutting board may be too far gone. So the key here is, this will definitely help. The key is to catch it before it gets really bad. And sometimes you may just need to live with the brown staining on your cutting board, or you may have to get a new one. All right, so we're gonna put some baking soda on there. We got some hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is amazing for so many different things. In fact, I think I should probably have a whole playlist dedicated to it. This is getting low, by the way. I'm gonna have to just dump it in there. Okay, got a little more on there. The key is we wanna make a nice paste on our cutting board, like so. So you may need more baking soda, you may need more hydrogen peroxide, you may need less. Let's see, we got a nice paste going right here. Yes, yes, yes. This works almost better than anything else that I have tried when it comes to cleaning these sorts of things. All right, I got my stain saturated. I'm gonna let this sit probably until it's almost dry, and then we'll see the result. Here we are. It's been sitting about 10-15 minutes or so. I did come in a couple times, give it a good brush. Let's rinse this off and see. That is looking pretty darn good. I'm gonna flip it over here in just a second so you can see the other side that we did not touch. Again, I've run this through the dishwasher. I have scrubbed it with dish soap. Nothing seemed to do the trick here. And there's that browning again that I did not touch. The trick is, like I said, is to catch it earlier on. It's probably been like this for a couple months. I will admit that. Yay, I love this. All right, my friend, give this video a thumbs up. Click this video on screen now to see some additional cleaning and life hacks. And I will see you, my friend, in the next one.